So with me today is the very hot and sexy Bipasha Basu and the lucky man with two leading ladies, Karan Singh Grover. So welcome Bipasha and Karan to Bollywood now.
Thank you.
Enough of wooting. Okay, so please tell me ये Alone के पीछे mystery क्या है? Why Alone?
Well, Alone तो आपको पिक्चर देख के पता चलेगा 16th of Jan को ये राज खुलेगा कि Alone, why is it alone when we are all together?
Yeah, when Karan has two lovely leading ladies, why is he alone?
Who is alone?
Yeah, right now together we are alone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me shoot करते वक्त कितना मजा आया आप दोनों को?
देखिए शूट करते वक्त आई थिंक द एंटायर यूनिट एंजॉयड बिकॉज हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं हमने जो काम किया है उसके साथ. एंड देन एवरी डे आफ्टर पैकअप we used to work out together and then the entire team used to meet together for dinner.
I'm flexing.
That he continues.
See, you hit me right now, I got swollen.
Oh.
Don't listen to him.
My arm is swollen.
But do you want to talk about the film?
Yeah, sure.
Or you want to talk about the swollen arm? So we really like this keeps going on all the time from the second day of shooting.
There's a method behind the madness.
Karan, there is actually. He kind of broke the ice completely on set with everybody. He was the relief on our set and he was also the Santa Claus of the set, and he just, whenever the energy was down, Karan has to like just come and jump around and go crazy, and we are all like back in action. So yeah, there was just a lot of great positive energy on this set.
So Karan, as you were the Santa Claus, Christmas gift क्या दिया आपने बिपाशा को?
Christmas gift.
No,
Kya?
you did not give me any gift.
Hey, man.
I said save it for my birthday.
Yeah, that's thanks.
So as we know that बिपाशा का birthday है, क्या plans है बिपाशा आपके birthday के?
देखिए जनरली मैं तो पूरा मंथ लॉन्ग सेलिब्रेशन होता है मेरा हर साल, पर इस साल एक्चुअली शुरू हो गया है गोवा में. Instead of New Year, I think I celebrate my birthday right from the 1st of Jan.
Yeah, we got to see some lovely pictures on Instagram.
We had a blast. We danced a lot. It was like doing cardio in the night and then going to the gym in the morning and doing weight training all over again. There was a lot of exercise in Goa. And then in the pool whole day, so again exercise. So a lot of we're physically exhausted after a holiday. You need a holiday from the holiday. But we are back into promotions for Alone. We are all very excited. It's releasing 16th of Jan, and a few more days left, and just hoping that all the positivity that the theatrical has got and the songs have got, I hope that everybody comes out and sees this film, because this is a fun film. It's an entertaining film. It's a passionate film. You get to see Karan Singh Grover, new dude in town, girls. That's definitely a plus.
Two Bipasha Basus.
Karan is more excited about that. Two Bipasha Basu.
That's a boy thing. That's
a genuinely all earth thing. All the guys in this world, they'll be like, oh, there's two Bipasha Basus. We must watch it. We'll watch it again and again.
Okay, so let me ask you, when you came to know that आपकी leading lady बिपाशा है और एक नहीं दो बिपाशा है, तो आपका reaction क्या था?
You will never get him in frame. He does this all the time.
It's called very high emotion attached to laddu pudding.
Laddu pudding? This is a new one I heard.
Yeah.
High emotional laddu pudding.
Laddu pudding. There'll be like lots of laddus, they come together.
How much do you love laddus in real life?
He's just like, I don't know, what does he eat? He has just so much energy all through the day.
What do you eat? Okay, today we'll ask you in front of the camera, what do you eat, Karan?
Since morning I've had 80 grams of protein, 47 grams of complex carbohydrates, 38 grams of simple carbs. And
Okay, enough of maths. I was very bad. I sucked at maths.
It is really, when you sit with him on lunch table or something.
want to know what I eat, I tell you.
Me and Bhushan would be like,
eat a lot.
he's like, I want my 40 gram of protein. I was like, okay, this chicken is 40 gram of protein. I'm like, okay, I'll just eat this chicken and egg quietly. I don't know how many grams it is.
But it doesn't really show that you eat so much.
Of course it shows.
He
It
eats
goes
the
in
right
different
things.
sides.
He creates these biscuits with all the food that he eats.
Yeah.
So what are the compliments you got? Like, ये इतनी hot, sexy body देख के I am sure लड़कियाँ पागल हो गई होंगी. Already पागल थी करण के लिए. So क्या compliments मिले आपको?
First, I get lucky boy a lot.
शर्ट फाड़ देते हैं.
Lucky boy, I get a lot. Whoever sees. Wawa, do Bipasha, both sides. I was like, yeah. Then, yeah, somebody also called me a Greek god. I don't know who that was, but very nice of them.
Very nice of them. They call me a Greek god.
To say that, very nice.
He's being like shy about it also.
No,
Yeah.
I'm being all.
So has it ever happened on the sets कि करण की fans या आपके बिपाशा की fans कभी ऐसे set पर आ गए and you know sometimes होता है set पर
No,
आके
we have very guarded sets. We have a lot of security and we shot in very secure locations. Thankfully, because Karan की अगर fans आ जाती तो मुझे नहीं लगता है हम लोग shoot कर पाते.
और आपके fans आते तो हम क्या करते?
मेरे
वो तो
fans
सब जगह
वो लोग
इधर-
सब खड़े होके चुपचाप shooting देखते हैं. तुम्हारे fans बहुत excited हैं.
Good ना?
तो लेके जाएंगे अभी cities में ना करण को छोड़ देंगे fans के बीच में.
अच्छा ये बताइए कि पूरी शूटिंग लाइक पूरी नहीं ऑलमोस्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द
Sorry,
ओके
भूताया।
गोस्ट भूताया
अंजना.
Behave yourself.
अच्छा अंजना या संजना करण आई मीन कबीर को किससे ज्यादा प्यार है
This side.
संजना.
Sanjana.
पोस्टर से तो देख के लग
हाँ.
रहा है बट शी इज ट्रूली
Look at what she's doing.
या आई नो इट्स लाइक बहुत
I think some fans might do this to you.
they might even
Not
go
this
ahead.
part, not this part. They might be very pretty, but this part might happen.
The nails going in.
Yeah.
I'll just stay away.
Yeah.
ओके मूवी में आप दोनों मैरिड कपल हैं सो बिपाशा व्हाट आर दोस क्वालिटीज व्हिच यू वांट टू सी इन योर गाय
I have no idea of this. I just hope there is a guy. That's it.
एंड करण व्हाट आर दोस क्वालिटीज व्हिच यू वुड वांट टू सी इन योर गर्ल
I need to understand my own qualities first, actually, before I can expect anything from anyone.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to understand what my expectations of myself are right now.
अच्छा वाइल शूटिंग द मूवी अभी लाइक ट्रेलर देखा है हमने काफ़ी इंटीमेट है ट्रेलर में आप दोनों काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल हैं इंटीमेट सीन्स करते हुए एंड साथ ही में आप दोनों के रिलेशनशिप के स्टेटस के बारे में काफ़ी रूमर्स सुने हैं हमने सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट
Say about?
अबाउट द रूमर्स अबाउट योर रिलेशनशिप
I'm completely not involved.
Relationship with whom?
I thought she was
With
talking-
each
I
other.
thought she was talking
He's
about
my co-star.
Your... Oh, okay.
No,
And,
Each
and,
other.
and no, we are very good friends. You know, I'm so glad that we did this film together. That you know, I found a great friend in Karan and Bhushan, both. Like we have made some really good friendships on this set, and yes, we hang together, and yes, there's speculation, and yes, people are discussing us. It's definitely.
Discuss. It's a good thing. No
And
problem.
it's coming out of, you know, the physical intimacy that is shown in the film. That's absolutely okay because we were meant to look like we are passionately into each other, and we are doing that because that's required out of us as actors. And
Plus we make it look good.
and yes, we look good on screen together.
Definitely.
It's a great thing because you know, my first thing to my producer and director was when Karan was not even cast that, you know, you have to get me a hero who can, you know, match the intensity of the love story that you guys want to show. So, and I'm thankful that they got Karan.
And also not to take away from you know, such brilliant technicians that we had.
Everybody,
on,
I think everybody-
on the shoot.
yeah.
They've shot it so aesthetically, and they've made, you know, the song and the scenes and everything look more beautiful than you
It
would actually
looks, you know,
conceptualize
it
to be.
looks. It doesn't look lusty. It looks desirable. It looks sexy. It actually looks sensuous, and that was the idea. It is an adult, passionate love story, and love stories in real life also need passion. You know, nobody really is into. When you are an adult, it's not supposed to be like lollipop romance.
Yeah, true.
So it has to have some kind of steam for couples to be together. And I like the way my stylist puts it, that, you know, when she saw the song Katra Katra.
Shamli.
Yeah, she said, you guys have not made a love making song, you have made a
Baby
baby
making
making song. And we were like, oh, okay, fine. It's so I'm just saying, there are, you know, we see internationally, we see a Basic Instinct and we go, oh wow, she's so hot, she's so steamy, the scenes are so amazing. You know, you guys need to start accepting things even in India and not look so deep into it.
Okay, lastly, Karan, you were recently nominated for the most eligible bachelor in FHM. So Bollywood में अभी entry हुई है and आप most eligible bachelor में nominate भी हो गए. So what do you have to say about that?
I won most
Mysterious
mysterious.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is that mystery you're hiding
He's
inside?
very mysterious.
I am very mysterious even to myself. I'm a mystery.
Yeah, it's very mysterious, just like me. I'm so mysterious I can't even like solve my own mystery.
Yeah.
I'm a wannabe. Oh, lipstick. I'm a wannabe mysterious person.
Yeah.
Want to be mysterious person.
She's the most open person
Because
ever.
I feel I'm very mysterious, and when I say I'm mysterious, people laugh at me. Yeah.
So okay, tell me one incident जब set पर आप like करण ने आपके साथ या आपने करण के साथ कुछ मस्ती की होगी,
मस्ती
मस्ती या कुछ
रोज कुछ ना कुछ.
कोई एक incident which you will never be able to forget from the sets of Alone.
I'll tell you a secret.
Please do.
Oh no.
Okay.
You became deaf? This is what he did to everybody, and most people on my set
I
is
want to
deaf.
tell everybody my secret.
That was bad,
Not
Karan.
me, yes.
He did this to me. He did this to me on the I think third day he said to me, "Can I tell you a secret of mine?" I said, "Yeah," and then he started coming close. I was like, "What? What secret are you trying to tell me?"
It's very,
and then
very. It's a
he does this to everyone.
deep, dark
Every
secret.
single person has gone deaf on my
I
set.
actually went deaf for
City
like
बजी city.
bomb फूटा.
ये बॉम्ब सबके कान में, अलोन में सब आधे बह रहे हैं because of Karan.
I don't know why I'm mysterious. I tell everybody my secret.
Okay, lastly fans के लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जो Alone देखने जाने वाले, a warning or something before they go and watch Alone.
मैं firstly actually कहना चाहता हूँ कि thank you for giving us so much appreciation, so much love already, and so much good energy to for us to be encouraged and know that our hard work is being appreciated. Thank you so much for that. And please, please, please go and watch our film on the 16th of Jan Alone. But please,
Don't watch it alone.
don't watch it alone.
Big groups only.
And if you don't watch it alone, I'll tell you my secret.
Before Karan again tells his secret, we'll just wrap it up. So this was Prerna for Bollywood Now with cameraman Faizan.
Hi, this is Bipasha Basu, and you're watching Bollywood Now.